This video is brought to you by Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart. If you walked away with at least one new idea today, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. In this month's challenge, the Better Homes and Gardens style makers were asked to refresh a room in our home for under $300. Do you think I could do it? Hey there, YouTube friends. In today's video, I'm going to share a few very easy, very affordable ideas to completely redesign a space. We are going to paint, rearrange some existing furniture, and add a few accessories to make this room look completely different than it does right now. So if you want some ideas, stick around. Here's a look at some before pictures of what this room looked like. This is our game room slash my children's playroom. So this room is very heavily used by our entire family. We like to watch movies up here, play games, have family game night, and just really hang out. So it's a really comfortable space that we didn't really do much with. So my first tip on refreshing a space is to always start with paint. Painting is a very affordable way to give any room a nice facelift. And since I knew that I'd be updating the entire house, all the common areas with this color, I decided to start here first. This is the Benjamin Moore Edgecomb Gray. For tip number 2, I always say shop your home to reuse existing rugs or furniture that you already have in place. I reused an old rug from our family room downstairs that was no longer in use but still in good shape, and I pulled the pool table out to the center of the room. Next, I added one new, very functional and needed piece. We needed a game table for the adults, so I found this Better Homes and Gardens Aiden Square dining table and the matching chairs. They come in multiple colors, but this was what I was able to add for just a little over $300. It ended up being a perfect addition to the room. Not only did it give us a dedicated game table, but some additional seating as well. I got a brand new luxury Monopoly board for Christmas, so I was finally able to display it. And that brings me to tip number 3, which is adding fun accessories. This is always my favorite part when I'm styling a space. Better Homes and Gardens has some really cute options. Everything you see here is from Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart. I fell in love with that love pillow and I had a perfect spot for it. And the Wi-Fi sign is ceramic, and that really comes in handy when the kids' friends come over. I also found some Better Homes and Gardens fairy lights, and I shopped a clearance section and found some cute things too. So I can't wait to show you what I did with all of my new finds. And a while back ago, I ordered some old 80s and 90s movie posters that I never put up, so now was a perfect time to do that as well. And finally, I updated some of the pillow covers just to bring in some added warmth and coziness. The new accessories did put me over budget, but only by about $50, and look at how cute everything turned out. The TV console is not new. We moved it out of our theater room. It's a better fit in this space and we can use it for more things. I even found some cute and cozies for Lola and Theo. How cute are these teepees? And this is what I wanted to show you, how I styled the love pillow in Lola's teepee. So on one side there's paws, and then on the other side you can see it says love. And I added some more cozy pillows. The dogs just love to lounge around when we're in the space up here, so this is just perfect for them. So now we have space to store all of our games and videos. The pups have their own little play areas. The kids have a dedicated charging station so that they don't keep moving our chargers from downstairs. We have a game table now for our board games and chess. The pool table is more functional, and we still have a place for our karaoke. We love karaoke night in our family, so we still have a place to do that. And it's just a much more functional space. So with some fresh paint, one new piece, and just using what we already have, I was able to easily transform this old room into a new oasis for our family. So hopefully I've got you into a creative mode to freshen up one of your spaces. I'll have all of the Better Homes and Gardens products that I showed you here today linked over on the blog at themillionairehouse.com. Until next time, love and peace.